Assalamu alaikum students. I wish you all are well and enjoying your vacations as well. So, first of all, take out your books, everyone, and open page number 1. So, I know that this topic you have done before. We are just revising, we are just going to revise this topic, which is chapter number 1. We are going to study its lesson, which is 1.1, science and its major field. So, moving to page number 2. Humans have made great progress in science world. Scientific study has made our life better, easier and safer. People who study science and make use of it are called scientists. Special places where experiments are done are called laboratories. Okay, as we have discussed this before as well in our previous chapter about materials. So, we studied that due to science, humans have made great progress in the world, in the universe, due to science. And scientific study today has made our life much better than before, much easier than before, and much safer than before. Okay, how it had made better, how it had made easier and safer than before. For example, if you are taking an example of a bulb, so if we talk about past, in the past there was no light, there was no bulb. So what happen that they cannot do any electricity work, and they are unable to uh, they were not having any machines. So what that scientific study has made our life much better and easier as well as safer. So those people, we are talking about those people who study science and they make use of it. For example, they do something on it. They are called scientists. And there are students, there are some special places where scientists or where experiments are done. Okay, where experiments are done, they are called laboratories. Everyone, open page number 3. Scientists have divided science into its major fields. These fields are helping us in different walk of life. Can you name these great scientists with their contributions? Okay. So students, as I told you that scientists are those people who study about science and make use of it. So scientists have divided science into its major fields. Okay, there are some fields which we are gonna study right now in this class. So they have scientists have divided science into some major fields, and these fields are helping us in different ways of life. Okay, and so here I know you all have done this exercise before. Can you name 3 great scientists with their contributions? So you can write any 3 scientists name and with their what they discovered or what they invented. You can write any. Science is an area of study. It starts with the observations and questions. In science, we make observation based on ideas or assumption. On different assumptions, we carry out different experiments. After getting the results, conclusions is made. This is called a scientific conclusion or a theory. All investigations, development, inventions, and observations are made to make our lives better. To make study easier, science is divided into 3 different fields. Let's discuss in major fields separately. Okay, students, they are saying that science is an area of study. Okay, we all know that science is a study. And if those people who study about science, first of all, they starts with observation and question. Whenever they are giving any scientific method, whenever they are having any scientific conclusion, or they are presenting theories, so first step they takes is observation and question. For example, if scientists want to know that why birds fly in the sky, so they are having a observation first, that why they are flying in the sky, and they are asking a question. Okay, this is the first step. Then the second step is, when observation is made, so then comes on ideas or assumptions. It means they guess. Ideas or assumption means that they are uh, guessing something, that they are they want to know about something, but they are not still confirmed. They are just making assumptions. Then the third experiment is after assumption. For example, is it clear now? Is it right or wrong? So what they do, they carry out different experiments to know that the our assumption, our guess is correct or not. So what they do, they carry out different experiments. And after when they get the result of their experiments, so what they do, they get the results and they made conclusion. Okay, after getting the results from the experiments, what they do, they prepare conclusions, and this whole process is called a scientific conclusion, or you can say scientific theory as well. Okay, these were the processes which scientists use to carry out some experiments and to prepare some scientific conclusion or theories. And to make study easier, okay, to make study easier, science is divided into three different fields. Now what are these three different fields, beta? It is chemistry, physics and biology. So we are going to study them briefly in this topic.